Hate. Hate is everywhere in the world. Whether you choose to accept it or not, hate is real. We live in a fallen and an imperfect world with people that thrive in hateful situations. Hate is something that I know everyone struggles with at one time or another. And the sad thing is, the internet has made spreading hate so much easier than it ever was. Since anyone can just pick up a computer and have complete anonymity, gets rid of the fear of having any repercussions to anything you say or do online. Recently, someone left a comment on one of my videos, and it was just a really disrespectful and hateful comment towards someone that wasn't even in the video. When I read a comment like that, it is so easy for me to instantly want to reply with something hateful towards that person. But what will that do for me or for anyone? We think that replying to this hateful comment with a hateful and clever response will bring us a sense of satisfaction, but honestly it'll just make the situation worse and nothing will get solved. Evil thrives in situations like this. When I first read the comment, I started to think of mean things, but then I stopped myself. I realized that this comment was an amazing teaching opportunity. Now, I'm not saying that it was a great opportunity for teaching towards that person that left that hateful comment, but I am saying it's a great situation for me to practice what I preach. I preach heavily about showing love to others in every situation and always being a loving person towards them, no matter what they've done towards me or towards someone else. Love is just something that really needs to be spread, and I do the best I can to help show others love in any type of situation. There's always going to be hate spreading throughout this world, but instead of returning hate with hate, try returning hate with love. It can be difficult when you're in a moment of anger, but those are the moments that can make everyone better people. I want to live my life loving others the way that we've been loved, but at the same time I'm a flawed human. It's really hard to show love in tough times, but if we do show love in those tough times, the world's going to become a better place because of it. Basically what I'm saying is that love conquers all, and we need to be showing love in everything we do. I know it might be hard, but next time you're faced with a tough or a hateful situation, try throwing love out there instead of throwing hate. It honestly could just make a difference in someone's life. So, let's go out there and spread some love, guys. I'll see you next Thursday.